So finally, Apple has released the iOS 18 public beta. In today's exciting video, I'm going to show you guys step by step how you can install the iOS 18 public beta on your iPhone instantly. So with that being said, let's just dive right into this video. So first and foremost, guys, if you open up your settings and then go to general and then go to your software right here, as you guys can see, by default, you're not going to have an option to download the iOS 18 public beta because you have to, first of all, enroll into the Apple beta program. So in order to do that, you're going to go ahead and open up your Safari and then go to beta.apple.com. This is going to be the site right here, as you guys can see. I'm going to leave the link in the description as well. Once you're on this website, make sure you go ahead and click on sign up. And when you sign up, make sure you use the same exact Apple ID that you have on your iPhone. Otherwise, this will not work. Once you sign in, there's going to be an agreement just like this. You're going to go ahead and read through this. And once you read through, you're going to go ahead and click on agree. And then this is the guide for the beta software. This is nicely laid out for you to just read and get started. First of all, right here, as you guys can see, it says that Apple beta software program is now available for iOS 18. If you are a new member, please enroll your iOS device. So you're going to go ahead and click on this. And then it says, first of all, archive your data. Basically, you need to back up your iPhone before you process through it in case you want to come back to it. This is an optional but highly recommended step. If you don't have enough storage in your iCloud backup, in your iCloud drive, if you don't have enough storage, you can also manually back up to your PC, whether it's a laptop or Windows or MacBook, whatever the PC might be, you can manually just plug in your cable and back up. I have a video on that on my channel as well. But once you've done that, the next step is right here, the most important step. You're going to go ahead and turn on beta updates. Go ahead, click on open beta updates. Boom, just like that. Now, if you take a look right here, you have a beta updates, and just refresh this page and then you will have this beta updates. Go ahead and click on it. Boom, right there, as you guys can see, you have the iOS 18 public beta as well as the iOS 17 public beta. All you have to do, go ahead and choose iOS 18 public beta right here, as you guys can see, and boom, we have the iOS 18 public beta right here, which will take up 6.75 gigs of storage. So make sure you have enough storage, at least 15 to 10 gigs. Make sure you have a little bit more than what this requires for you to easily and smoothly install the iOS 18 public beta. All you have to do, click on update now. It's going to kick in the process. On my secondary device right here, as you guys can see, I already have the iOS 18 developer beta as well as now the public beta already installed. But nonetheless, guys, you are more than welcome to try this out and check it out for yourself. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, you know what to do. Smash that like button, leave me a big thumbs up because it really helps the YouTube algorithm to reach out to more people, as well as subscribe down below for my channel for more interesting tech videos just like this one. I upload weekly, at least once a week. Also, in the meantime, check out this video. Thanks again for watching. Catch you guys next video. Peace out.